Hi, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to work with live server preview extension of VS Code. First go to the extensions, then write here live server preview. This preview, okay. This is the live server preview. Just click here to install. It is installing on your computer. The live server preview is showing you how it works. In the bottom, this is animated zip file and you will see how it works. Okay. Now it is installed. I will show you how it works. This is the sample project folder here in the left side, and I am going to open the login.html. Okay. This is my login.html file. Now I will right click here and then I will open the command palette. In the command palette, you will see that the show live server preview option is here. So click here and you will see that in the right side this preview comes and this will work automatically. I am going to write something and this will be changed. You will see, suppose this is email address. I am going to write it email. When I change here, you see that automatically this one changed. Password, website, password. So you see that it is changed, and also copyright 2022. You see that this is changed. So what I will change in this side, you will see it on live. So in this way you can work with live server preview extension.